I was trying to install a radiator, but the issue I'm having is that it gets way too close to the water pump pulley. I got about an inch of clearance between the front of the pulley to the radiator. So I posted it on a Facebook page, and I was told that I might have my motor mounts backwards, and that's costing me about 3/4 of an inch. So what I did was I just marked, I don't know if you can see that, but I marked where my oil filter is in reference to like the frame here. So that's around the pulley on the alternator is about 1 inch as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my motor mounts and see if that actually pushes the engine back towards the firewall a little bit. Hopefully that gives me a little bit of room here, and I'll see how much room I have after that. I'm gonna jack up the motor now, see if I can get those mounts out. Loosen up the transmission now. This mount was on the driver's side, so now I'm going to move this mount to the other side. See if that pushes my engine back. Okay, that's the passenger side one. This is what was on the driver's side. Let's go ahead and mount this here. See if we can push the engine back a little bit. After all that work, it looks like I gained about 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, looks like I gained that much. So, I mean, I didn't lose anything. Was it worth it to get about 1/4 of an inch? Guess we'll find out later, but yeah, that didn't help as much as I thought it would. Oh well, at least we can say we did it now. Alright, so today we're going to be addressing the clearance issue between the radiator and the water pump. Once the fan shroud is in, there's no room for an electric fan to fit in there. So what I ended up doing was just getting a 2-core radiator. I was told by Champion that with the size of the engine, 2-core would be plenty of radiator for it. The 3-core was really unnecessary. So I just got a 2-core, so it's a little bit thinner. And I also went with a CVF short water pump. So that should give us at least, I think it was a 2-inch difference on that water pump. We won't have this section sticking out here. So I'm going to go ahead and just start taking off the old water pump, get the alternator bracket out of the way, and see how much room we can make between the radiator and here, just to see if we can get the electric fan to fit inside of there. So to start, from the radiator to the front pulley is a little bit under 2 inches. Let's see how much room we can get here. So here's our box from CVF Racing. So it looks like we're gonna have to pull the alternator on here. There's the crank pulley, water pump pulley, alternator, fan. Here we have the height difference in the 2 water pumps. You can see a lot shorter here. So that should buy us a couple inches. But the thing about these water pumps is that they are a driver's side outlet, where the original was a passenger side. So you do have to keep that in mind as well. we confirmed that the shroud and the fan fit. Now I'm just gonna drill some holes and bolt the fan onto the shroud. I was going to just do a bolt and a nut on the backside, but I did recently get this tool off of Amazon for the nut zerts. So I'm just gonna use these. That way I can get the fan off without having to pull the entire shroud off as well. Just take those 4 bolts out, slide the fan out if I need to. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and drill and crimp these in here, see how it looks.